Welcome, the bird of the day. Today's bird is the house finch. These pretty little birds can be found in most places in the US and are especially common around houses and feeders. I joke that we get a lot of really common birds, but I'm not joking when I say that this bird is really common. So I set out, deciding to go to a pine forest on a mountain. And as soon as I started my hike, I spotted a house finch. Told you they were common. I had already driven all the way out here, so I decided to stay and see what else was around. I saw the usual evergreen guys. Northern flickers, spotted towies, black-billed magpies, juncos, and a few red-breasted nuthatches. And today's bonus bird, a brown creeper. These guys start at the base of an evergreen. Then they work their way up to the top, eating all the bugs along the way. Then they fly down and start the whole process over again at the base of the next tree. I continued my hike up the mountain, and I spooked a bird I was not expecting. The dusky grouse is an elusive ground bird that inhabits mountain forests. So I finished my hike with a finch photo that was acceptable, but I wanted better. So when I got home, I just looked out the window. There's a chickadee. Hello, Mr. Chickadee. Do you have any words to say? I don't know if that picked up. Anyways, I saw juncos, scrub jays, red-breasted nuthatches, and of course, I saw house finches. While the house finch wasn't a surprise, you never know what might land in the backyard.